Hi guys, on today's video, we're going to show you how to use Smart Sharpen. Click File button, select Open and add image. Go to the upper selection, click Filter and down to Filter you can see the Sharpen, click it, and select Smart Sharpen. Adjust the amount to 100% and radius to 25%. Remove lens blur and click More Accurate. After that, click Shadow at the right side of Sharpen and adjust fade amount to 50%, total width 80%, and the radius to 5px. And that's all for today's presentation of ours. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks.